Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. I forgot to do the intro in English for this week's recipe, but I was in Tuscany and this recipe is typical of that region. Here you can see me in Florence, very happy at the sunset. But let's go back to our kitchen and let's prepare this gnocchi in a Tuscanese way. To prepare these keto gnocchis, you will only need 120 grams of almond flour, 100 grams of grated parmesan cheese, 80 milliliters of yolks that are approximately 5 big yolks or 6 small ones, then lemon zest, salt and nutmeg as much as you like. You can personalize these gnocchis on your taste. As you can see, I'm in Bergamo and I'm working on last week's video. I love it, and through the internet I also received this gnocchis recipe, so I have to thank Ilaria for this amazing dish. Let's check together how much is 80 milliliters of yolks. Actually, my scale is in grams. I hope 80 grams, it's okay too. This kitchen is not perfect, you know. But as you can see, my eggs are quite big and I only needed 5. Now I have 86 grams, but as I told you, this is not perfection, so we will put a little more of yolks, but I always prefer to use fresh yolks, fresh eggs that I'm now mixing with some nutmeg. I love it and it's a really Italian combo, eggs and nutmeg, but if you don't like it, just skip it. A very good tip is to buy nutmeg and grate it immediately before using it. Don't buy the already grated nutmeg because the flavor is not the same. But talking about flavor, to give our yolks even more flavor, we are now adding the salt and the grated lemon zest. Now it's time to form our gnocchi. Putting also the grated parmesan cheese and the almond flour. I forgot before to talk to you about the egg whites. It is clear that you don't have to throw them away, but you can use them to prepare a white omelette. Just put some salt, pepper and your favorite spices and it will be super delicious and also ketogenic. Now our gnocchi's dough is ready, but we should leave him resting for about 10 minutes into the fridge, and to do it we must wrap it into saran paper. As you can clearly see from the video, these are my first homemade gnocchis. So I apologize to you for being so slow. I put the video quite fast, not to boring you with a long process. And I apologize to Ilaria because she explained me exactly how to do it, but you know, first time is first time. We need to learn. So if I can do it, you can definitely do it better. As you have just seen, I prepared 2 long snakes and now I'm cutting the gnocchi size. After, I will prepare with my hands little round balls. Using your hands will be very useful because the hands are warm and it will help to melt a little bit the ingredients all together, because as you can see, it's a little dry. So go with your hands and have a lot of fun. A good tip is to prepare little balls so they will warm up easily. Ilaria made them boil a couple of minutes in very hot water, but I'm too scared to break them, to melt them completely, so I will skip that and I will warm them together with the crunchy prosciutto. As you can see, I didn't record everything, but I cut the prosciutto in dices and then I brown them in a very warm pan with just a little bit of olive oil. It's really full of flavor, so I will warm the gnocchi together with the prosciutto. If you have a non-sticky pan, it will be even easier. And in the other pan, I will warm some cream, heavy cream with some nutmeg, because I want all the flavor to stay very well together. I don't put any salt in the heavy cream because the prosciutto is already very salty, and also the parmesan cheese. I also forgot to tell you that this quantity is for 2 people, so now you know, if you are 4, you must be very patient and prepare double gnocchis. But now we will prepare the plates. I will put the heavy cream on the bottom, and then some grated parmesan cheese. I do like that just because they will look so much better than mixing the gnocchi together with the heavy cream. You will see it at the end. As I told you at the beginning, this sauce made with heavy cream and crunchy prosciutto is typical of Tuscany. They usually add also onion and I skip that, but if you like it, it will taste great. Look how beautiful they are. In this video I didn't do any outro, so I will tell you now that I will be very happy if you subscribe to my channel. But keep watching, because at the end we will go together to visit Pisa. That is an amazing city near Florence. You cannot miss it. And also Bergamo went from a rainy day to an amazing sunshine, so I have to show you also my beloved city. But now let's go together to Pisa. I will tell you also now that we will meet here every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time with another ketogenic video in English, but also on Wednesday with the same video in Spanish, and on Friday in Italian. Thank you all for watching, for liking my video and for commenting them down below. You really made me very, very happy. Bye bye, see you next week.